Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meta Verified is not working or not showing. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and now I'm just going to show you where to find Meta Verified. So tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear, and as you see here, under orders and payment, we got Meta Verified. So if you're trying to use this feature, but you can't find it here, the first thing we're going to do to fix that problem is to go to Play Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Instagram. And make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. So as you see here, it says open, which means the app is fully up to date. But if it says update, then you need to update your app. Another thing that you can do, I'm just gonna go back through Instagram, go back again, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now choose setting and privacy, and then scroll all the way down, and then hit help. Now tap on report a problem. And here, write down your problem. So for example, hi, Meta verification is not working. Please, I need help. And once you're done, then you can hit send at the top right corner. And another reason why Meta verification is not working is because it's not available yet on your country. So all what you need to do is to wait until Instagram gets it to your country. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.